Hey guys, my name is Shivich and welcome to my channel TechNot. So guys, this is my first unboxing video and today I have the Noise Color Fit nav smartwatch. So today we'll be unboxing this and let's see what interesting features does this watch have. So guys, this is the box of the Noise Color Fit nav smartwatch. So here the box is quite light and quite small, and here in the front we have the image of the smartwatch, and below here we have the company name Noise with its logo, and here we also have written a GPS smartwatch. So this is the feature that I find quite interesting in this watch, and we don't find the GPS feature in other watches of the same budget. And here at the side we have hashtag fitness every day, and here at this side here's the company name, and here in the back we have all the features. So this watch is a stealth black color. It is available in two colors, and here I have the stealth black one, and here it is given that it has the GPS based activity tracking, and it has cloud based watch faces. It has many watch faces, you can change them every day. It also has a 1.4-inch screen, Bluetooth and accelerometer, 4 days battery life, that's quite good, and it's also waterproof, and it supports Android 5 plus and iOS 9. So this was all, and here's some other information given. So now let's open the box. So now let's also remove the cover, and that looks quite nice, and now we can open it. Yes, so this is the watch. So here we have the main watch, and here we have the wristbands. So I'll take them out. I'll take the watch out, and here inside we have the cable, and here we have some guides for the watch, and here is a card from where you can register your product, and this is the guide. So that's quite nice, and now let's move this all. So this watch is quite light, and the wristbands are also of a very good quality material. So now let's switch on the watch. So if I press the button, so it says that we need to download the NoiseFit X app on our phone, and if I again press it, so it has a barcode scanner, and it also has the information related to this watch. So I'll download it on my phone. So guys, what we need to do is, after we've downloaded the app asks us to fill in our information related to our height, and also we need to first sign up, and then it asks our information like height, your weight, and the date of birth and the name. And then, as I showed you that the watch had a QR code to scan, so we need to scan it here. So I'll scan it here. So as you can see, now I'll scan the code. So guys, this is the interface of the app that we have. So here we can see the steps, the active time, distance, calories, sleep, heart rate, running, and from here we can change the watch face where you want, and we can save it. So for example, I want this, I'll save it, and from the settings you can change other settings also. So this was all about the app. So guys, this watch has two buttons on the side, and behind the back it has the sensors. And now if I turn on the watch, first of all you will see the face of the watch, and if I slide to the left, here are others like activity, breathe, alarm, heart rate, music, settings, sleep, reminders, all other things like that. And if I slide up, so here we'll see the settings option. Here is also the battery, if you want to change the brightness, and we also have the airplane mode, and if you want to disconnect or connect with a phone, the night mode also is there. So guys, this watch has all other features like the other smart watches, but the most interesting feature in this watch is the GPS feature. So what it does is, for example, you have other smartwatches, and if you are wearing them on the hands, you must have noticed that the steps keep on increasing by itself time by time, but this is not the condition here. So what it does, it tracks you through GPS, that if there is any movement by the person, then only it will increase the steps, otherwise it will not increase the steps. So this is a very good feature. But if we talk about the other features are also very nice, and the watch feels quite light, and it's very small and compact, and the display is also very good. So guys, these are the straps of the watches, and they are made out of very good material, and it also feels very nice. They have a matte look, and now I'll put them on the watch. So guys, now I have put the straps on the watch, and now I have also put it on my wrist. So this feels very light, and it also feels very comfortable. So guys, this was all about the watch. I hope you like the watch and also my video. So if you like the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you.